Welcome to Sheffield, Welsh people.
Welcome to Sheffield. Must be going this way then. See you guys soon. Searching for the PBX gang. Oh, they're in Sainsbury's, or? Yeah.
That's sweaty doing that job.
What are we doing?
Snuck up to cheese grater car park, which is that, and then someone up top, like turned us back round in the sector or something. And then I walked up there, dance on lift. What do you mean? So 80,000 on my wrist. Yeah. Other two were in lift because Nathan decided to press them. Don't mind a bit of racism.
Look, we're off to Shalesmore then. We're walking it. Yeah, the gang are walking it off to Shalesmore.
I think I'll roll an outfit.
Do some exploring, innit?
Trying to.
Trying to, yeah, trying to.
Tried one place already, but that didn't work.
Hello and welcome to TopAbandonedPlaces. Today we're in an abandoned chemical factory with Urbex.
Oh, what's going on, you guys? Urbex. But yeah, we're top abandoned places at an abandoned chemical factory. It looks like it's getting knocked down now.
Yep.
So that's not always
in Sheffield.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys in the video. Yeah. Alright. Wagwan, G. No, there's a bird show.
I'll be around with you, so.
Yeah?
I'll be there, so you come in.
Alright. That key's sticking out my fucking leg.
Tyler?
Yeah?
There's shit on the floor. There's shit in the middle of the floor.
Oi, Dan!
Dan, have you took a shit on the floor?
There's a shit on the floor.
You dirty bastard.
He is a dirty bastard, isn't he?
Dirty fucker. That's
Where?
human shit.
Oh, fucking hell.
That's human.
Shit.
Dan. Someone must have had a bad.
Human turds found in an abandoned chemical factory.
Human shit.
What's in here then?
Not too much.
Looks like it's got stripped.
It has.
Wow.
This used to be like desks and everything here. It's pretty cool. If you look down here. Pigeons. Just hit a window. Yeah, just did it again. Oh, it's gone, it's gone. Dan, you just missed it. A pigeon hit a window. Which one? That one. That one. How did it out? Yeah.
Oh shit, it's still in here.
one's been mutilated.
Danny Worth's nemesis.
That one has been absolutely mutilated. Look at it.
What?
That is wings.
Dead pigeons in here. Oh, don't put me off KFC, Dan. Yeah.
Yeah, that was like that looks like where the well, what we're thinking is when they put that in.
Supply list, yeah.
Right, we're into any other rooms
What do you
then.
like?
That's a song.
That's a song.
Yeah. It's like 45 seconds long. So every time I listen to the playlist, I'll go, right. As soon as I can go on the item, I'm like, oh shit, that's not
Yeah, you can see where all the stuff is that they've stripped out, don't they? Get off. There's not another human shit in here.
Yeah.
Spanner.
Very detailed. Review of this smelly turd. Thought so that said Newport, then I'm like,
That is Newport, the shithole.
fucking hell. Go on then. And that one's just.
No, there's a load of shit in here.
Oh,
Jamming. Give me it.
mine!
It's a raving here. There's a rave going on. There's shit pipe. Dehumidifier. What's going on?
There's loads of stuff here.
Few things.
That's like the company ones, like if you look. So get this on there's like, if you look here, like, element location. There's like all this here as well.
In America.
They're in like America and everything. And that fucking jam. Oh, fucking stomach cat! Give it a sec.
Go on then.
Shh, give it a second.
What the fuck was that? It's a rave. Rave at the chem factory.
No, I'm dead.
Hi, watch what you say about autism. Hey. Yeah, you can see the street down there.
Suck me dick!
Yeah, watch out, Jayden.
Fuck off.
Water. There's water in this room. Lots of water. Again.
Eat it. If you'd like to come and see what we're eating.
Alright, let's have a look then, shall we? Oh, dear. Yeah, right, whip it out then.
Right, Sam. Ask me what I'm making today.
What are you making that morning?
Stars!
I'll cut you out, yeah. I'll cut you out.
Yeah, I'm gone. Like in the video where I am, even if I'm stood in the middle, it's just like emptiness.
I'll cut you out of life. Ching! Get a fucking switchblade, cut you out of life.
Oh, there's scares. There's jump scares in this
Jump
video.
scares. Warning, warning guys, there'll be jump scares in this video. Another one. We call it 50 frames.
Rolling room.
Rolling room. Oh, let's roll some ciggies then, shall we?
What is that? Rolling room. Yeah, but there's no tables, no chairs, no leaves. That's rubbish.
Oh, JP Urbex, yeah.
Fuck off. Nosy. What?
Jack, JP Urbex.
Gosh.
No. Fuck off, cunt.
Oh, Callum Ree's on there as well.
Dickheads.
No, I know he's been in here. Seen his video.
Nothing to see here.
Brad! I'm having a shit!
Someone's having a shit.
Oh, fuck as well.
PBX, blurred out PBX.
Tell them.
Oh, there's a Durex wrapper in a urinal.
Nice.
Jayden, what have you been doing here?
Jamie, you dick bastard.
There's a urinal. Oh, I just have a piss.
Enjoy. Enjoy yourself. There's a lot of shit all pulled out here on the door as well. What's going on? What's going on here? Ooh. Downstairs we go.
There's a little, what's it called? Cellar. Somewhere.
Where the fuck is Worth Dog?
God knows.
Probably having a shit.
Here you go.
Let's get in the lift then, shall we? Which floor do you want to go to?
Well, look at what it says then.
You can see uplift. Look,
Alright.
see uplift. Look at Sam.
Cool. Right, let's go up.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Oh, it's one of these old fashioned like.
Hey, you could do a skit here. I could
we
do
go.
that and you could walk out. I can shut this, do a skit when I open that and you walk out. If you want.
Do.
You want me to?
Yeah, actually.
Because if you stand here like this,
So,
if you stand in lift like this,
Yeah.
right, I'll shut this like that, and I'll do that, but I won't shut it all the way. I'll go like that.
yeah, good do. Goods lift on me. Do not travel in the lift with your item.
Do you want to do it?
Could do.
I won't shut it all the way, don't worry.
Up we go. Oh, we're back to him.
Jayden, it's a fucking skit going down. You're just ruining the skit. Please, man, but where's that? It's not popular.
What's in there? All the glass been smashed all up. This place has become a right shit tip, hasn't it?
Where is the cellar base? Literally.
Yeah. Let's not go in there then.
It's there. Yeah, it's not deep stairs and that's about it.
Well, have a look at the stairs.
Oh.
Oh, just like a lab. Nice. We found the lab. There's all the Bunsen burners in.
There's a coat. Do you want that?
It's a lab coat. That's just a coat. There's the lab. This is the lab.
Oh, it's butterfly still here.
There's no,
Butterfly? Yeah. From last time's video.
is it dead?
Yeah.
Obviously.
Crazy. Beautiful.
Euro lab supplies.
Oh, the bag. That's it, isn't it?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Don't take what's in it.
I don't want it. What is it? I'm just sniff it.
Well, I don't know with you. You might do. So yeah, an empty room.
Is He's upstairs.
Coney Island. Yep.
If we go up to the second floor, it's quite hard.
Oh, well done with this hose. Well done with the fucking hose.
I say we go out and then go on.
Alright guys, I think we'll end off the video there. We can't find Danny Worth. I think we'll end off the video there guys. Can't find Danny Worth, so I'll see you guys on the next one.